अहम खबर दे रहे हैं। वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ की रूसी सदर से मुलाकात हुई है। आपको अपडेट करते चलें अहम खबर के हवाले से कि वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ की रूसी सदर से मुलाकात जारी है। लाइव मनासिर टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर आप मुलाहिज़ा कर रहे हैं।
In Asia, we cherish the relations we've built between our countries. I would like to say that in the course of our previous meeting, we agreed to intensify our relations. And indeed, we have managed to get some things moving, but unfortunately, due to a number of objective circumstances, our trade has decreased somewhat. The sum is not that significant. However, it is a good signal to us to do some work and to analyze how we can address that. Unfortunately, Pakistan is facing new catastrophes and disasters. When we were in Xinjiang, during the SCO summit, you spoke about those natural disasters. And we're hopeful that under your leadership, your country will be able to overcome any difficulties and problems it might face. And we would like to offer our sincerest condolences to the people of Pakistan on the grave developments, the flooding, something you've spoken about before. We keep cooperating at the interparliamentary level. These contacts are kept on a regular basis. We're also cooperating in international forums. Pakistan is currently a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council. So our contacts are ongoing within the framework of the UN, which is an important platform. Distinguished Prime Minister, Excellency, in November, Russia is planning an event within the framework of the SCO. It's going to be the meeting of the heads of government. If you have the time, if you think it possible, we will be very glad to have you in Moscow. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Excellency President Vladimir Putin, for sparing your precious time for this meeting. And we're meeting after, as you said rightly, after Astana last July. And I can say with a sense of confidence that together we have been making very serious and sincere efforts to promote our bilateral relations, particularly in the field of commerce, trade, and last year we saw our bilateral trade had a spike. We imported oil from Russia, and that led to increase in our bilateral trade. Our relations have been on the improve in the last many years, but due to your personal commitment and interest, and I must say that I've been also very keen to strengthen our bilateral relations. I think we are in the right direction. And after our meeting in Astana, there has been flurry of visits of delegation between the two countries. Your Honorable Deputy Prime Minister visited Islamabad. Russian delegations visited Pakistan. Our delegations have been there in the last 1 year. Recently, Mr. Fatmi has been there and Mr. Harun Akhtar have been there, and we have signed protocols in terms of how to promote our cooperation in the field of agriculture, in the field of iron and steel, energy, transport, corridor from Belarus, and then Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan. I think this is a very important corridor. So I think, Your Excellency, all this put together reflects beyond any ray of doubt a very keen commitment on your part and our part to build our relations. And thank you very much for your invitation to visit your great country. And I'll be very happy to be there because I have been to your country since ages. I've not been there. So I must go to Moscow and refresh my good old memories of my younger days. Your Excellency, I'd like to also thank you for supporting Pakistan and trying to have a balancing act, I think, in the region. I know and I must say that we respect your relation with India. That's perfectly fine. But we also want to build very strong relations. And these relations will be supplementary and complementary for the good and for the progress and prosperity of the region. In that, I find in you a very dynamic leader, and I want to assure you that I'd like to work with you very closely. Спасибо.
बीच में वजीर आजम मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ और रूस के सदर व्लादिमीर पुतिन की मुलाकात हुई। पाकिस्तान के साथ बेहतरीन ताल्लुकात हैं, जबकि दोनों सदूर ने आपस में गर्मजोशी से एक दूसरे का इस्तकबाल किया। और इसी हवाले से आपको बताएं कि पाकिस्तान को दो तरफा ताल्लुकात के फरोग चाहते हैं। रूसी सदर व्लादिमीर पुतिन ने भी यही बात कही है। पाकिस्तान को कुदरती आफत का सामना है, जबकि इसकी पुरजोर मजम्मत भी की गई।